So we are keeping the same scenario here, but I am going to put the restriction for this activity because of a radiation source. And even for this scenario is also, restrictions. For HSCS is also the same scenario because we cannot allow anybody to work there when there is a radiation. Installation of wall may create source of ignition. We are keeping the same restrictions as earlier for all the scenarios, all the activities during normal operation, weather, and HSCS unavailability. Blasting, you are going to blasting and painting. Is blasting allowed there? Santosh?
Yes, if there is field weld is there, we have to do the blasting and painting.
That is core blasting or sand blasting?
Sand
Grid
blasting.
blasting. Sand blasting, huh?
Yeah.
But sand blasting is prohibited in ADNOC. Grid blasting maybe. Maybe grid blasting. Can someone confirm? Rakesh, you have any idea about grid blasting and sand blasting?
No, Chairman.
Okay, as per my understanding, in ADNOC, sand blasting is prohibited at site. So I'm putting the grid blasting only. I'm not putting sand blasting because this will go wrong.
Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, sand blasting is.
I'm keeping the same restriction here. By scenario, hydro test and dewatering. Hydro test has got hydro pressure test is R6. I am going to put R6 and this is as per the calculation radius. So we'll put R6.
Dewatering is from where?
From drain point, right? No, from where you are going to dewatering after hydro test? How you are going to dewatering?